Welcome to our assembly and subassembly area, where we leverage an experienced assembly line team and advanced warehouse assembly technology to streamline your logistics processes. Our after-sales and production application assembly and subassembly services are specified for various kinds of products such as power units, after-treatment, oil coolers, EGR coolers, VR kits, and so on. Our experienced employees have the ability to handle high volume and ongoing demands of our customers, producing products on time and ensuring the quality. This is proven through our metrics. On the average of every quarter, we build around 190 power units and 9,000 power unit subassemblies, 320 after treatments through our error-proof system, 5,400 shrink-wrapped kits, 250 oil cooler pieces. At NewStream Enterprises, every product goes through extensive quality testing and inspection. Being committed to Quality Management System ISO 9001:2015 gives us the ability to consistently provide products that meet our customers' expectations and applicable legal requirements. All testing equipment in our facility are calibrated by external companies to ensure the OEM specifications and qualifications. Subassembly and assembly services empower your company to reduce stock, holding, and lead times, which improves cash flow by delaying assembly until you are ready to ship products to the manufacturing facility or customers. Contact our experts today. Learn how our assembly and subassembly solutions can improve your bottom line.